Nuzhat Parkar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I am Nuzhat Zawji Harun Parkar from Kalusta, a student of Jamia Al Qura Ratnagiri Kokal. Arabic language is essential to understand Islam, and it is the language of paradise. If we are interested in learning and understanding more about Islam, then Arabic language is a gateway for better understanding the Holy Quran, Prophet Sunnah, and Islamic heritage. Umar ibn Khattab, the great companion of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "Learn Arabic, for it's a part of our religion." Through Arabic language, we can increase khulus and achieve the presence of heart while performing salah by understanding surah and azkar being recited in the salah. So we can learn Arabic language through online classes at any ages and levels. Because of the online class, I could manage to learn Arabic language. Otherwise, it was not possible for me to learn, being a housewife, mother, and even a teacher. Learning a difficult language like Arabic is a challenge, but learning Arabic in Jamia Al Qura is fun. And fantastic teachers like Maulana Ilyas and Maulana Wasim, they made it very easy, giving opportunity to every student to answer. They cleared the doubts and difficulties by explaining very well with lot of practice and lot of tactics. I would highly recommend you all, those who are listening, to go for learning basic Arabic course. At last, I would like to thank my teachers, Maulana Ilyas and Maulana Wasim, who taught us. May Allah bless them and give them reward in this world and in paradise. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.